Alright, you guys, in TJ Maxx, so we have this True Religion. I want to say this one's going to be new. It is $35 for True Religion. And we have Patricia Nash. She's going to be 80. I see kind of like the same bags, you guys, like True Religion, 9 West. This one with the heart patch, can't get into that. Tons of backpacks. Okay, this one's gonna be new. Let's see if we're into that. They do have a large tote, which I don't was seen in a different location. $29.99. Okay, this handle is like heart shaped, which is kind of cool. It is $24. Let me pull it out. Can I pull it out? There we go. Look at that. It's like a heart shaped handle. These are like $29.99. This fancy bags. Tons of fancy ones. I want to say all the gift sets are still the same. Like the Juicy Couture, Anne Klein, Patricia Nash. These have been the same. Michael Kors earrings at $25. I think that's $40 for Michael Kors like bracelet cuff. Yeah. And we have the large hoops here. Okay, look at this one with the shell, 15. This one says the mama. It's funny. A lot of bow ones. These little earrings, they're kind of cute. They're 17. Nice one with like a little bead on it too. We got rings by Piper K. A lot of jewelry right now. This one's 15. There we go. I saw a cute mushroom necklace I should have gotten. These all these shells, yeah, these are 17. That's 17. And look down here. This is 15. I also have it in silver. This is House of Harlow, and that's 17. Okay, it's kind of cute, kind of cute. All these are Kate Spade. The Kate Spade we have seen before, and they are really cute. Okay, everything here is a heating pad, you guys. It's a heating pad. It's just so funny. I see them all over the place. Oh my gosh. They had these at Costco, but they weren't weighted. These are their weighted ones, so Costco had the little plant things. These are $29.99. $29.99. 12 days of self-care. Advent calendar. Okay. Can't open that or anything. Humidifiers, diffusers. We have socks, Juicy Couture, all this fun stuff. Let me see anything. Oh, there's some Valentine's. Be Mine, Be Mine. Put Joe Boxer. All the fun ones over here.
Attention TJ Maxx shoppers, ask any associate on how you can save 10% off today's purchase, plus get 5% back for all your purchases made at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Homegoods, and through your trading post. And as always, thank you for shopping at your Paradise Valley TJ Maxx.
That'd be kind of annoying to hear all the time. And these are cute. They're 15. Those are 15. Oh, I wish I got the cow one. Not those cows. There's like a more of a fuzzy cow. And they have these striped ones. These are 17. They're kind of cute. It's a gray one. Okay, we have this Hello Kitty throw blanket. Okay. I think this one's 20. I want to show you this shirt. And my husband said it looks like Steve from Blue's Clues. And then we texted my daughter, see if she'd like it. And she ended up saying the same things. So they have this green one. They have a red one. I think this red's kind of cute. Okay, $49.99. True Religion right here. And then here, nothing in the back. So just True Religion up front.
Cashier number.
Okay, look at these wireless LED karaoke speaker with the mic. They're tiny. They are going to be 20 bucks. Then we have the camera 2 double wall tumbler speaker. There's a speaker. Oh, there's a speaker on the inside. Very interesting. Okay, record player, South Park socks, the color changing flames, which are pretty cool. So I did that before. That's 15, and all like these noodle bowls. But I think I'm gonna go into Homegoods right next door and see what they have. Oh, look at that! It's a diffuser that makes like a tornado. Oh, is this the mushroom one? Kodak classic photo frame. Karaoke. It's funny. Okay, this is kind of cool. This is 40 bucks. Has a drawstring hoodie. The brand is Bailey. And then here's some more tops for you. These are Tommy. These are going to be 20. And they also have a pink one. Well, if I could get, let me see. Let me get the other one out. Okay, I made it into HomeGoods. We have double murder mystery, but you guys, oh, look at this. It's a wooden jigsaw puzzle. That's actually kind of cool. Well, it's heavy. Can you pick that up? Mm-hmm. How much is that? That's cool, actually. That is 25. And they have like this noodle thing. $29.99, like a tic-tac-toe. So you know how I said Christmas has been put up early? Wow. Look what they did to all the aisles. It's springtime. I know we've seen this before, but now they have all the pottery out. All the pottery is out. It's crazy, right? But I saw this cute bear guy over here with his little bow tie. He is 200 bucks by 34th and Pine. Is this glass? But it is $5. I do like a good glass. But yeah, it is crazy in my area where I live. Christmas was put up early, which I find it weird because a lot of you do still tell me, when are you going to show Christmas? I've been showing Christmas since October. $5.99. I like the little twist on it. Oh, this is great for New Year's. These are $5.99. Isn't it sad, babe?
Yeah, it's already over.
Yeah. We're all
I'm
like,
ready. Get it over with.
get it over with. It's just been lingering too long. These are $5.99. Look at that blue one too.
Ready for Christmas.
I'm not. Are we ready for tax season? No.
Yes, I'm ready. Just get it over with.
I've never seen a red one. I normally see green and blue.
Yeah. I like the blue ones. Those are neat though.
The red's cool.
Really cool for Christmas.
Yeah.
Margaritas. There you go.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you gotta find all the storage. See, you're the one who would do that. I'd be like, nah.
I'm ready for.
You're ready for margaritas. I haven't had them. Yeah, that's true. And then here is all your candles, you guys. Everything is just being bought up. Christmas spirit, love. Oh, that's a really pretty one. That one's actually pretty. That is $12.99. It smells like. It smells alright. It smells alright. Cotton candy cloud. Oh. I want to see if there's any new dishware though. They got a lot of 2-tiered, 3-tiered trays. And like a lot of food. They definitely filled in a lot of these aisles with food. Just nothing but food. Hello Kitty. Oh, they have the Valentine one here too. Okay, the Valentine Love, $5.99. They also have a large one. Almost dropped that. Look at this one with a little heart on it. That is $5. Hey, we've seen that one in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. That's kind of pretty too up here. I feel like most of Christmas kitchenware is gone. $5.99. $5.99 for that one. Are these heart shaped? And then we have this one right here, and that's $5. This one has like balloons on it. That's kind of cute. I mean, I'm not a Hello Kitty fan, but I like the little balloons on it. $8. This one, $5.99. Why are you sad?
For what?
We're back to normal.
Oh yeah, I hate it because these stores get really boring when there's not like Christmas or Halloween bullshit. I don't care about Valentine's Day and stuff. It's like, whatever.
These are $15. They got green, purple, little roller skate. It's kind of funny. I haven't seen the roller skate one. $12.99, and they also have the boot. Ooh, very nice jewelry holders. These are by Cynthia Rowley. This one, there's like a mirror at the bottom. Let me pick it up. This one is by Nicole Miller. Oh, Nicole Miller, and it's $15 for this one. This one has like the little bow present on it. These are $15. Then we have like your purple one. That's $15 as well. Oh, look at that. These are like kind of cute. Right? More Nicole Miller, more bow one. And this one is $10 bucks. Okay. Oh, there's a cowgirl boot again. Oh, there's that Winnie the Pooh one. It's cute. And that, there's no kitchen. I mean, there's no Christmas kitchen. We do have all clad in here. These are non-stick. I'm not too sure how much these all clads are. Oh, 200. 200 for a 10-piece set. So 200 for a 10-piece. And then here is more pottery. All the pottery's out. The snail with his hat on. It's kind of funny and cute at the same time. And the back pillows. These are $25. $25. And then this one's $25. These are really cute. I like this black heart one. $39.99. And they also have a pink one. The pink heart one is King, $59.99. And they also have a black heart one. Oh, they do have lemon, $59.99. That's for a king. Doesn't that look like a little baby bed? It's for a dog. It's $50.
That's cute. No, it'd be cute for a baby.
It's not for a baby, it's for a dog.
I know, but think of it. It's pretty good.
You can't put a baby in that. These are $5. Little squeakers. They're funny. This one. Plenty of lampshades. These are about $20. Some are $17. They have tons of little wooden gates too, like for your dogs or cats. These baskets are kind of cute. If you can do like a cat basket, $10. I like the shape. How it has the shape of a cat. A doggy one too. I was just looking at dog toys. A lot of the Christmas ones are gone. There is Valentine's. With some doggy blankets, some Thinking about like people with dogs. Oh my gosh, look at that street one. That's funny. I was trying to find like a hunting one, like a duck hunt one, which I thought I saw over here. Let's see, that caterpillar one. I saw a duck. This frog one's kind of funny. 7, and it crinkles too. There's a smaller version. Funny. $50. This is actually quite cool. Those are 50. And then here's the light. These are $40. And this one in the back is really different. That is 130. Let me pan out. 130 for this one. I feel like that is $59.99 by Rachel Zoe. And then Simon Blank right here is 100. They also have Thomasville. Okay. Oh, well, see, they're just filling in space now, you know. $49.99. So it looks like on the lizard one, which is so funny though, so funny to me. That's a funny one. And the monkey is still here. He's 50. Little Women. This one is $49.99. That's kind of cool. I like that. They also have a Peter Rabbit over here for $49.99. Oh my gosh, Easter's gonna come. Tells us Peter Rabbit's the same one in the back. That's 20. And then behind me, 130. Well, you guys, Christmas is over in Homegoods. I will hit up different locations, but I do know now they're bringing in more artwork, wall art. It was kind of dry in the wall art department, $39.99. That's kind of cool right here, the Grand Canyon. You see this one?
Yeah,
that's kind of cool.
It looks like it's like made of carpet tapestry.
Yeah,
Like it's weird. Yeah.
this is 70. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Look at that doggy in his bubble. That's funny. They have the lip blanket. This is by Rachel again. 25. More hearts. Little cute heart pillow. That is 17. And then this is all Valentine's stuff. 17. More heart. I love you. And Christmas pillows are going away. They have the cherry print, cupcake and cashmere. This is cute. Alright, you guys, this is gonna die on you. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. I'm trying to say bye before it dies. The thick one. Looks like this is the Christmas area where they put it in. The tree is $200.